When conflict escalates across departments, the single biggest risk in bringing people together is chaos, conversations that spiral into blame, defensiveness, and stalled progress. That's why structured dialogue matters. Your job isn't to solve the conflict in the room, but to create a container where the dialogue stays constructive. And that means setting clear ground rules, ensuring each side is heard, and sequencing the conversation so it builds toward alignment. Without structure, conflicts become circular. But with structure, you can move stakeholders from venting toward problem solving. And this is where your skills as both a strategist and a facilitator converge. So remember, the chaos risks, blame, defensiveness, and stalled progress. You create a container for dialogue as a communicator, and balanced airtime and respect should be the ground rules. When conflict escalates like this, bringing people to a room without structure will lead to circular arguments, blame, and frustration. This arc shows the 4 stages of a well-facilitated conflict conversation. We begin with setting the ground rules, making it clear that only one person speaks at a time and that the focus is on issues, not individuals. These rules create the conditions for respectful dialogue. Next, we acknowledge perspectives. Each group gets the chance to present their point of view without interruption. This ensures people feel heard before being asked to compromise. Third is identifying common ground. Even groups in conflict usually share at least one priority or goal. Whether it's customer experience, hitting a launch deadline, or protecting the brand, surfacing these points of alignment shifts the tone from opposition to collaboration. And then finally, we move to solutions. With perspectives aired and common goals identified, the group then has space to brainstorm constructive ways forward. Your role here is to guide the dialogue through these stages so it doesn't spiral back into blame, but instead builds momentum toward alignment. Think of a cross-functional meeting you've been in where conversation spiraled. What structure or ground rule could have changed the outcome?